Hi, my name is Carrie and welcome to the Lodge on the Chattahoochee. Please take a moment to check out one of our floor plans.
This is the TORVAH Floor plan. It is a 1-bedroom, 1-bathroom at 982 square feet. All of our apartment homes are equipped with smart home technology. You can sync your mobile device to control your locks and your thermostat. Each one of our apartment homes has durable vinyl wood flooring and a wood-burning fireplace. The TORVAH's spacious living room has tons of light from the double French doors that lead out onto a large patio or deck. The updated kitchen has stainless steel appliances and a dishwasher. Also located in the kitchen is a full-size washer and dryer. Directly off the kitchen is the dining room or office, with an extra storage closet. The bathroom has a separate shower and toilet area. The oversized bedroom with large windows will be your perfect sanctuary, and you will have plenty of space in the enormous walk-in closet. At the Lodge on the Chattahoochee, we have many amenities, including a dog park, playground, a large saltwater pool, and a beach volleyball court. We are located directly on the river with a private dock and access to kayak and canoe storage.
Thank you so much for checking out our TORVAH floor plan. Please visit thelodgeonthechattahoochee.com where you can apply online and see all of our great specials.